Went on a bit of a pick, got some stuff, nothing super duper, but you know, it's all stuff to sell. Very windy, cold today in August, the westerlies. So let's have a look, see what we got. Random stuff, some type of arcade shooting game, like shooting hoops. Apple, Weber Go Anywhere barbecue, always a good seller. An old cast iron fan. Got some garden pots, nice glazed garden pots. They're always popular. Something for your dog to sleep on. Pikachu. It looks like a dog's been sleeping on it. Rusty Fairy. Random other things. Something for a BMX Holden. Put your stereo in. Tent. Brand new cook your fish thing. Toolbox and a cast net. Overlocker that doesn't work. Janome sewing machine that does work. And also a couple of BMX frames which are inside. I'll show you. These are the BMX frames that I mentioned. A Croupy BMX. From memory, they're pretty high-end stuff. The original Chris King headset. That's worth a bit of money just by itself. And some yet unknown 1980s BMX. Good welds. Defining feature with this lightning bolt